Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 2.8% in the last session after gaining as much as 1.9% during the session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Amazon has partnered with numerous hospitals and service providers to make Alexa-compatible devices available to seniors, hospital patients, and the people caring for them. European stocks slipped from near-record highs, with miners leading losses after concerns over China hit metal prices. Walmart has joined hands with digital currency kiosk company Coinstar to bring Bitcoin and crypto ATMs to the masses.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's ECB interest rate decision will be released at 11:45 GMT. Japan's BOJ interest rate decision at 0300 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement at 0300 GMT. Australia's export price index will be released at 0:30 GMT. Australia's import price index at 0:30 GMT. The U.S. gross domestic product price index at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.